This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Lovely home in a lovely community. Great floor plan boasts formal living and dining rooms, large family room and a bonus room perfect for office/den/playroom, so you don't need to look for that fourth bedroom. Tile and laminate flooring throughout. Eat-in kitchen with side-by-side fridge, built-in microwave and glass top range. Master has large walk-in closet, separate shower and garden tub, and vanity with extra counter space. Screened patio and fenced yard to enjoy the Florida weather. Indoor laundry room washer and dryer are provided but not warranted. Alarm system not monitored or warranted. Pets per owner approval, no dangerous breeds, up $250 DEP per pet if multiple. HOA rule, no signage on vehicles. Smoking/vaping not allowed anywhere on property. For more info or to see this property call/text Barry Taylor 321-795-7074 for more information, review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.